Hello, all you cool cats and kittens. Welcome back to Jessy Jamboree's Quarantine Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make orange chicken. That's right, orange chicken, just like Panda Express, but you can make this at home. But before we get started, let's wash our hands. This is an awesome recipe, and it's going to require some orange juice. So we're gonna start with juicing an orange. Fresh, squeezed orange juice. About a cup of orange juice. Let's see if we can squeeze out of these two. Yeah, gonna kick this thing off right. Before we get started, we wanna get a pot heated up a little on high, medium high, with some oil in it. Okay, we're gonna do some deep frying in here, okay? Now before we get started with this recipe, you wanna brine your chicken at least a half hour before. I did this a little earlier. Let's cut to that flashback video of how to brine your chicken. Okay, so now my chicken has been cooling in the fridge. Pulled it out here, and we're gonna get it ready for the fryer. We don't wanna fry these big old chunks. We wanna make nice little bites. So we're gonna chop this chicken up into some manageable orange chicken size bites, all right? Now, we're gonna get these prepped for the fryer. So I have my egg mixture. I have my tempura flour mixture. I didn't have any tempura flour, so I actually made it. Just some regular flour, cornstarch, and baking soda. Dip the chicken in the egg, and then dip it on in the tempura flour mixture. Bam, there we go, easy as that. Let's do some double dip in here. Double dip, double dip. Make sure they're nice and coated in that batter. See, these fingers are getting nice and coated up too. Okay, our chicken is ready for the fryer. So our oil is nice and hot. Now we're gonna start to fry our chicken. Just kind of drop them in. They're on one side, so I'm gonna put these on the other side. I want those cooked till they're nice and golden and brown. Ooh. Those are looking about ready. All right, so now we take these out, put them on a paper towel to dry out. So about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how hot your oil is. Perfection. All right, check it out. We've got our fried chicken here. It is looking delicious. It tastes so good too. That's a fresh piece. Hot. Ooh, that's still so hot. Oh, jeez. Cut that. All right. Got our fried chicken here. Got our thing off. Let's get the heat on this wok turned on. Medium high. We got this tapioca flour. I'm gonna put this into a bowl. And then we want to get enough water in there just to let it dissolve while we mix it in. So try a little like that. We don't want any clumps. A little more. Just want to dissolve that tapioca flour. And now what I got here is a 1/3 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of fish sauce, and a 1/3 cup of white distilled vinegar, and about a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Then we're also going to do a cup of this sweet orange marmalade. Just put the sugar and the fish sauce and the white vinegar and the orange juice and the marmalade going in there, or tapioca sludge. I'm just gonna stir it all up and cook it on in there till it's nice and bubbly and cooking. And then we add our chicken, and it's just that easy. It's just that easy. Now it's looking a little runny, so that means I need to use a little more tapioca flour. Oh, Jesus. So we're gonna go about 2 teaspoons tapioca flour. I think I might have put a little too much water, so I'm gonna try and revive it with a little more of this extra tapioca sludge. Now turn the heat up high so it can start to cook down a lot of that water and that orange juice, because we want to get this to be really syrupy kind of. See that? It's starting to take form. And if it is like really liquidy at first, like mine was, just add a little more tapioca flour. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Now we're starting to get a sauce. Now let's see. Give it a taste. Oh my God. Yeah. That tastes like orange chicken, baby. That tastes like orange. Wow. Now we get our chicken and we plop it on in that sauce. And then we just kind of fold the chicken into the sauce like so. Look at that beautiful orange chicken. We did it. We did it! Oh my goodness, that's even better than Panda Express. Look at that shit. Wow. Orange chicken. Serve that with some rice, whatever. That looks even better than Panda Express. Oh my gosh, and look at the sauce we made. It's just so ooey and gooey. See that? Tastes so good. There's a nice bite with some rice. I put the orange chicken on top of some rice with some green onions as garnish. Panda who? Panda huh? Panda what? Good luck. Let me know how it turns out. This is Jessy Jamboree. Over now. All right, baby, want a ball?